Hey guys, so I've been getting a lot of questions about shipping methods and how there's no more e-packet shipping. So how do we get products from China to the United States or other main continents or countries quickly? And if you don't know what e-packet shipping is, it used to be the main way of shipping products really quickly and affordably from China all the way to the United States. It would cost very cheap and it would only take anywhere between 10 and 20 days. And that seems kind of long for shipping, but that's actually relatively quick from China. However, after 2019, ePacket ended. There is no more ePacket shipping available. So shipping times have gone up and the cost of shipping has also gone up. So people are wondering, can we still do drop shipping from China to the United States or other main countries, countries that are in Europe and other countries in North America? The answer is yes. And I don't want to cover it here because I'm going to cover the answer in the Dropified section of this course. Dropified is the app that we will be using to streamline everything related to our drop shipping from AliExpress. And there's a setting in the Dropified app that will allow you to filter products that are on AliExpress but are stored in warehouses in the United States and other main countries, so that when you drop ship that product, you're not going to need to drop ship it all the way from China and take 50, 60 days to get to your customers. You'll be able to drop ship it from AliExpress, but it will be drop shipping from some kind of warehouse in the United States, so that shipping times can be much shorter. And it's not only for the United States, it's other main countries as well. But again, I don't want to dive too much into it. I just want to touch base on this in case you were wondering how you choose shipping methods. We're going to talk about that in the Dropified section of this course. So I'll see you guys then.